Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Tarun Sharma. In this video, I will discuss about exercise solution, chapter 1st and 2nd, class 10th, subject computer application. Let us discuss first chapter 1st, exercise solution, MCQ. First MCQ is that web pages on a site are linked together through a system of option A IP address, option B URL, option C hyperlinks, and option D none of these. Answer is that C hyperlinks. Question second, the address or location of the document on the World Wide Web is called dash. Option A URL, option B letter addressing system, option C IP address, option D absolute URL. Answer is that A URL, uniform resource locator. Next question third, which of the following is not a part of the URL? Option A IP address, option B port number, option C domain name, and option D none of these. Answer is that B port number. Clear? Next question 4, which of the following is not a type of protocol? Option A HTTP, option B SMTP, option C FTP, and option D HTML. Answer is that D HTML. Question 5, who was the predecessor of the internet? Option A SAFE, SAFENet, and option B Telnet, TELNET, and option C ARPANET, ARPANET, and option D NET. Answer is that ARPANET. ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Next question 6, the protocol used for internet is option A W3C, option B TCP/IP, option C HTTP, and option D none of these. Answer is that B TCP/IP. Next question 7, ISP stand for option A Internet Service Provider, B Information Service Provider, C Internet Service Protocol, and D none of these. Answer is that A Internet Service Provider. Clear? And question 8, address of a document on the web server is called option A URL, option B IP address, option C both, and option D none of these. The answer is that C both A and B. Clear? The World Wide Web used to transmit HTML documents. Option A SMTP, Option B HTTP, and option C IP, and option D TCP. Answer is that HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. And next question 10. The device used to connect the similar network is called A. Option A bridge, option B gateway, and option C IP, and option D TCP. We want to connect to two dissimilar network, then use gateway. The answer is that B gateway. Clear? Next question 11. The first page that opens when a browser is started is option A home page, option B server page, option C start page, option D none of these. Answer is that home page. Clear? Every first page of a website is called home page. Next question 12. Internet is governed by option A IAB, option B IETF, and option C ISOC, and option D all of these. Answer is that all of these. Next question 13. When the name of the website is used instead of its IP address, it is called option A number naming system, option B domain naming system, option C none of these, and option D both of these, A and B. The answer is that B domain naming system. Clear? And next question 14. In the URL ftp://abc.com, the FTP stand for option A domain, option B rules, and option C scheme, and option D packets. Okay. Answer is that C scheme. Next question. The first network that pioneered the internet was option A Telnet, option B NSFnet, and option C Usenet, and option D ARPANET. Answer is that D ARPANET. Clear? Fill in the blanks. Is the system where a number of IP addresses are used instead of typing the URL. Answer is that number naming system. Next question second. A fill up is the computer where the web pages or resources reside in. Answer web server. Next question third. The connection is very fast, uninterrupted, and does not engage your telephone line. Answer broadband. Next question fourth. The main responsibilities of IP are. Answer addressing and routing. Question 5. A is a company or business that provides the access to the internet and related services. Answer ISP, Internet Service Provider. Question 6. Is a unique computer address assigned to any device on the network using the internet protocol. Answer: IP address, internet protocol address. Next question 7. A set of rules used for communication over the network is called. Answer: protocols. We know that protocol is a set of rules. Question 8. A web browser is a web. Answer: client. Next question 9. Top level domain ID MIL stand for. Answer: military. Question 10. A network that follow IP but exist within an organization or an enterprise is known as. Answer: intranet. Clear? Let us discuss chapter 2 exercise solution. First, MCQs. Question 1. Which of the following accept HTTP requests from the client, process it and deliver the response? Option A, website. Option B, web page. Option C, web browser. And option D, web server. Answer is that web server. D. Question 2. Which of the following can be sent as an attachment through email? Option A, images. Option B, videos. Option C, text. And option D, all of these. Answer is that all of these. D option. Clear? Next question 3. All the deleted messages move to the. Option A, trash. Option B, recycle bin. Option C, dustbin. Option D, unwanted folder. Answer is that A, trash. Next question 4. Which of the following search operators is used to find web pages that do not contain the mentioned keyword? Option A, and. Option B, or. Option C, not. And option D, plus. Answer is that and C option, not. Question 5. Is the process where two or more people at different locations or site participate in a conference using computer network? Option A, telnet. Option B, FTP. Option C, video conferencing. Option D, all of these. Answer is that video conferencing. Next question 6. The software that allow you to surf internet page is called a. Option A, surfer. Option B, browser. Option C, HTTP. Option D, none of these. Answer is that B, browser. Question 7. Exploring various websites on the internet is known as. Option A, surfing. Option B, browsing. Option C, making. And option D, none of these. Answer is that B, browsing. And question 8. The process of transferring file from the server to a client is called a. Option A, downloading. Option B, uploading. Option C, browsing. And option D, surfing. Answer is A. Downloading. Clear? Server to client is called downloading and client to server is called uploading. If you want to download any files from the server to client is called downloading and client to server is called uploading. Next question 9. While uploading files, the protocol in use is option A NTP, option B SMTP, option C HTTP, option D FTP. Answer is that FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, that is used to transfer file between the system. Next question 10. A method of sending and receiving messages through computers via the internet is known as option A FTP, option B email, option C mail send, and option D email message. Answer is that B email. Clear? Next question 11. Talking or conversing on the internet using text message is called FTP, email, chat, Usenet. Answer is that chat. Next question 12. An email addresses will definitely contain the character in it option A @ option B hex, option C dollar, and option D end. Answer is that A @. Next question 13. Short forms used on the internet while sending email, SMS, chat, etc. are called option A shorthand, option B short forms, option C acronym, and option D emotion. Answer option C acronyms. Question 14. Combination of keystrokes that represent some emotions or feeling are called option A shorthand, option B short forms, option C acronyms, and option D emotion. And answer is that D emotion. Okay. जो आइकन्स होते हैं आपके इमोशन, जैसे आप स्माइल के देते हैं, एंग्री के देते हैं, ओके, दिस आर द की स्ट्रोक्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ए is a collection of messages, normally text, posted by individuals to a news server. Option A news group, option B email, option C chat, and option D news reader. Answer is that A news group. Clear? Fill in the blank. First is an unsolicited mail sent to numerous recipients through email. Answer spam mail. Spam mail is also known as unwanted mail. क्लियर? जो अनवांटेड मेल होते हैं, जो ईमेल आईडी पर आपको आते हैं, उन्हें हम स्पैम मेल कहते हैं. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट is a method of sending mails to multiple email IDs without letting the recipient know of one another. Answer BCC, blind carbon copy. Question third. Use the dash wildcard symbol to substitute multiple characters. Answer star. Question 4. Facility allow you to log on to a remote computer. Answer telnet. It is a telecommunication network. Next question 5. Is the paperless trade of product and services by means of the internet and computer network. Answer e-commerce. Clear? Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks to all for visiting here.